as soon as he gets the ball. Oh, what the?
Yo, YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's Riley out here, y'all. Look, man. Yeah, tell Kemo, go ahead, talk, bro. Go ahead, talk.
Yo, what you mean?
Yes, sir, bro. We got 2 mics. You feel me? Got both the mics on this time. But we just having a great game. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, you see all these strikes we both got? We going crazy, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, I started mid-game, but we still got a whole nother game to play, so whoever's going to keep the footage rolling and keep going. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Turn up.
Hopefully I stay locked in. Hopefully I stay locked in.
10 a sack. Still got a whole nother game, so.
I'm going to stay locked in, chat. I'm going to stay locked in. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh, reset. I still got it.
See, let's see. I'm gonna after that ball hard as mess. I ain't gonna lie. This gonna be a little shorter video, of course, but it's all good though. Part 2 of the bowling video. Part 2. Let me know if you want part 3.
What up?
Thought I was nice putting the arm up, and I still missed at that. Alright. Can't see perfect, okay.
Say nah. Oh! Did the same thing he did.
By doink his head. And he got a strike.
Oh, shoot. Chad, I'm getting ready to leave.
Tough.
Two-piece city. I pulled dagger. Say that. All right, Chad.
Again?
3-piece right here. You dig?
Cheating, bro. Bro, strike.
Oh, I'm not cheating. All right, Chad. Right here. 3-piece. Oh, hold up. Oh. Oh!
Damn. That's tough.
I don't know, y'all.
That's tough.
I knew it was gonna happen.
That's tough. So.
Take that. Hold up.
Almost. We'll take it. Still going.
171 to 114. Yes,
Hey, look at the we cooking today. I ain't gonna lie, Chad. We cooking. We in here with the fire, that heat. You feel me?
You wanna see how dirty the lane is? How dirty the lane?
Yeah, the lane's dirty. They oil them joints up. They dirty. Strike. Nice.
It's like that.
Okay. 3, I'll take it. 3. 3's a great number, actually.
Watch you live. We'll take it. We'll take it.
What? How much? 7, we'll take it.
Oh.
Nice.
Well, boo-hoo. Say nah. I got this. Watch and learn.
Who he feeling like?
Look, ball all it up. Whoa.
Imagine.
All right, chat. We back at it. You know what time it is. You dig.
Yes, sir. Storage acting up. You already know, chat. Let's get it, man. It's like being a content creator, you know? Storage gonna run out every once in a while.
Hey, I done bumped into this. That's why I went like that.
All right, I'm not back in. I don't think I'm gonna sing a song this time. I'm just gonna roll, you know what I'm saying? Roll and roll.
I saw Luke Curve. Saw Luke over there. Yes, sir.
Hit that.
Hey! Oh
No, the way.
Yo.
Yeah, that would have hit. That would have been tough.
Bro. That was perfect too. That's
yeah,
the
that
thing.
would have
Like,
been tough, bro.
that was perfect
tough.
too. That's
tough. I think I trust.
take it.
Uptown, downtown, uptown, downtown.
Curve action. Hold up. We'll take it.
7. 7.
It's all good.
Got some pro bowlers in here. I ain't gonna lie. All right, I said that he get a strike. That's tough.
Whoa.
So let's go.
Hold up. Oh, that's some bull.
That's a magnet.
He said some magnet.
Magnet on it.
Come on. I miss bowling so much. You did.
You got strike again?
Yeah.
What?
And let's. If there's no oil on my ball, then that means we used up all.
Yo, man, got a strike again. 3 strikes in a row. Kidding me? Sheesh. Man, oh man. Come on, strike.
Hit it. Oh my gosh, that pin, bro, too. That pin was right there too.
Cheating.
Come on.
Cheating, bro.
Guys, apparently he said there's a magnet on the lanes, so I don't know what to tell you.
Cheating, like, what? On explanation, he cheating. Cheating.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
I'm about to do something crazy.
Oh my gosh, good thing you stopped. That footwork, the Lou oh, did you try?
I tried to curve. I was
You
like,
tried to your
oh.
It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. Oh man, oh man. That's a strike right there. Oh, just missed the pop.
7 again. Too far to the left. Wah, 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 wah.
Oh, as soon as he gets the start. Oh, what the? Get the fuck out of here. There's no that kid.
Little motivation to get the gutter ball again. Wah, wah. little gutter ball motivation. That's all.
Yeah.
Gutter ball motivation, bro.
Come on.
That's all it is.
Oh man, this guy, boy. Y'all, chill out. Move that out. And then mess me up, of course. I'll take it though. Oh shoot, my ball chat. I'm over here bugging out because my buddy thought he was nice. It's all right.
I put one gutter ball for you.
Oh, you want me to gutter ball for you? I bet.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, just gutter ball. You did. 188,
I'm gonna get to 100 at least. I ain't going out like
188, you did.
Watch this. Let me sing a song real quick. Ain't it fine? Let me go. Eight? I think 8. All right, let's get it, man. Just spare real quick. 8, right down the middle. I've been doing down the middle all day. Come on. Don't sell. You got this. Told you got this.
I will take that.
I was just about to say, when you talk to yourself, man, good stuff happens, but it happens all the time. But you know, I can't talk straight. I don't got nothing to say. I can't talk straight. I can't talk straight, man. I can't. I don't got nothing to say.
Come on.
Good game, bro.
Yes, sir. Take that.
That my friend that came and said I'm a good sport, even though I'm hating little kids.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all, it's in the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this, John. Feel me? Another day out here at kemo bowling. You know, the best bowler alive, the best bowler y'all ever seen. Me, of course. Well, I'll be talking about him. Me. No matter if I won or not, I let him win. Like I said, I let him win.
Yeah, guys, I purposely let him win. I don't know. I just got a weak arm. Maybe I should get that drawn for a regular show.
Yo, I'll put the picture in so I know what he's talking about. But it's in the video, y'all. If y'all enjoyed it, man, I'm out of here for now. Peace.